This is a demonstration of GentleGPG. First, we will give a quick explanation of how GPG, free open source version of PGP, pretty good privacy, works. If Romeo and Juliet want their communications to be unreadable, they both must create GPG asymmetric keys. That is, both Romeo and Juliet individually create a public key and a secret key. These asymmetric keys will be generated automatically upon first starting GentleGPG, and placed in what is called a key ring, in their respective GentleGPG folders. For Romeo and Juliet to encrypt and decrypt messages to each other, they must first exchange their public keys. The exchanged public keys will be placed into each of their respective key rings. Exchanging keys. Right-click on the GentleGPG main window and select the Export My Key menu item. Your public key will appear in the window. These public keys can be sent to each other openly by email. However, it is better to exchange them through a media such as a thumb drive. GentleGPG can also symmetrically encrypt your public key with a single long password that can beforehand be chosen by two people exchanging keys. Use the SYM button for symmetric encryption. Note here that Romeo does not have any public keys in his key ring. Upon receiving a public key, paste it into the main window. Remember, if the sent key was symmetrically encrypted, you will have to decrypt it first by clicking on the Decrypt button. Right-click the window and select the Import to Key Ring menu item, and reply to the import message. Note that Juliet's public key has now been imported into Romeo's key ring. Encrypting a message. In this example, we have switched to Juliet's GentleGPG client. To prepare a message, type the message into the window. Then click on the address line of whom you want to encrypt the message to in the top grid. Here, Juliet has prepared an encrypted message to Romeo. For convenience, you can send the contents of the window to your email client with a mouse left-click and hold on the Send panel, and then by dragging the site cursor to your email window, and releasing the button. You can also retrieve a message from your email window back to the GentleGPG window using the Retrieve panel.